Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Usembut Menteri Rangba kejela ubah Sniawbha halang dahar ulah pentip. Baka Jingpanpor ke bakat Sngi jong Harijan Panchayat Komiti Negara Sarkar jela kalakut. Nailur kani kidang panpor pan Haduh Taïew ke Khatduh jong Bnai Nailur. Bat saai ke kaipot jongki. Bat hadin jong kata ke sarkar kan salak ban shim ye karai. Habaya keren berkilat patai kubor mentak Sngi ke shipotrik Nailur. Nakal yang ubah Sniawbha halang ulah ong. Bagani gandai ke sin ke Khatduh ya ke HPC bahkan yo ya ke jing penjelan biang ya ke por badhadin bagi nongelam ke HPC kradep banyak penbet bad rai kin haban pa ya ke kaipot sha chief secretary but no chief secretary unsa pa pat sha ke sarkar jela nakal yang ba Sniawbha halang uloong bagani kam dai ke buitre kam jongnu re jongnu henry kadai baka sarkar ka kwa ban wanra ya ke jing ya sngoto jingmon.
Yesterday, somebody asked me, so the 15 days which they have time from the government with the last meeting is already end. And another request they asked, so please give us time till last week of September. And we have instructed CS to call the last meeting with them and they will submit the final report to us and we will take call from the government. Not today, because you see, when they ask, so they have another few points to discuss with the higher authority, obviously, but I think this is the last extension for them.
When will the CS call for this?
No, they asked her till the end of this month. I think maybe by the last week the CS will call them. And he will submit the report to the government.
Okay, they will submit the report to the CS?
Yeah, what is the final discussion with them? I think it has to be.
And the chief secretary will submit a report to the government?
Yeah, obviously. Just take this the last time. Plus
But don't you
extension.
think that it is also a tactic to delay things now for the government to resolve this issue?
We didn't take it tactic because we always want to come into a good conclusion only as a government. That's what we want.
So, final decision of the government?
That it should be.
Coming to Transport Department, what is the status on the
Correct. Actually, you see right from when the Umia bridge closed, yes, it suffered, especially for our people who the house, the shop owner there. And now in the meantime, the thing is not smooth. So hopefully there is another road which still under construction, just along the Mola bypass towards the airport road. So we request the producer to speed up the road. So when that road, at least alternative road is completed, I think the normal business will resume.
how long it will take?
That was not on the mission of the department. I think it will complete maybe a year or.
Because we are hearing a lot of antisocial elements taking shelter there in current
Yeah, no.
meeting.
You see, me, so I have heard that, but actually, obviously, we haven't received any complaints. I have instructed my officer to go and have a look at this.